Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for all the tabletop RPG enthusiasts out there. We stumbled upon the WizKids D&D Icons of the Realms starter set, and if you're interested, we've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the WizKids D&D Icons of the Realms starter set? This is a collection designed specifically for fans of Dungeons & Dragons, featuring 6 beautifully crafted miniatures that bring your fantasy adventures to life. The set includes 5 returning figures from previous starter sets, alongside one exciting new hero. Let's break down what you can expect from this collection. First up, the figures themselves. This set includes the Gold Dwarf Cleric, Human Ranger, Sun Elf Wizard, Northlands Fighter, and Lightfoot Halfling Rogue. These are classic character classes that many players will be familiar with. The standout addition to this set is the Wood Elf Druid, a new hero that adds fresh dynamics to your gameplay. Each figure has been meticulously designed and pre-painted, offering vibrant colors and intricate details that enhance the visual appeal of your game. One of the most important features of this set is the quality of the miniatures. WizKids is known for being an industry leader in high-quality, pre-painted plastic miniatures, and this set is no exception. The new paint designs elevate the aesthetic, ensuring that your miniatures not only look great on the table but also add a sense of immersion to your gaming sessions. Each figure is crafted to be durable yet lightweight, making them easy to handle during gameplay. Now, who is this starter set suitable for? This collection is perfect for both seasoned players and newcomers to Dungeons & Dragons. If you're just starting out, these miniatures can serve as a great introduction to the game, providing you with iconic characters to represent your party. For more experienced players, they're an excellent way to refresh your existing collection or to enhance your current campaigns with new figures. In terms of practical use cases, these miniatures are versatile. They can be used in various scenarios within your D&D campaigns, whether you're embarking on an epic quest, battling fearsome foes, or exploring mysterious dungeons. The detailed designs also make them fantastic for display purposes when you're not playing. Imagine showcasing these figures on your gaming shelf or in a dedicated display case. They're sure to draw the envy of your fellow gamers. Beyond just aesthetics, having high-quality miniatures can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. They help to visualize encounters and can make tactical decisions easier during play. Whether you're using them to represent your player character or NPCs, these miniatures enrich the storytelling aspect of your adventures. In conclusion, the WizKids D&D Icons of the Realms starter set is a wonderful addition to any tabletop RPG collection. With its detailed miniatures, quality craftsmanship, and the inclusion of both familiar and new characters, it provides a fantastic way to enhance your Dungeons & Dragons experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.